Good morning. It's November 19th and this is your daily brief in science. Here's everything you need to know. At the AI for Science Forum in London, a major announcement was made that could reshape the landscape of scientific research. Demis Hassabis, co-founder and CEO of Google DeepMind, unveiled a new funding initiative aimed at harnessing artificial intelligence to tackle complex scientific challenges. Google is committing a substantial $20 million in cash, along with an additional $2 million in cloud credits to support this initiative. The focus will be on interdisciplinary projects that address critical areas, including rare diseases, experimental biology, materials science, and sustainability. Notable recipients of this funding will include organizations like Materium, which is innovating in the field of plastics, the Women's Cancer Institute, which aims to enhance cancer detection, and Doctors Without Borders, addressing the pressing issue of antibiotic resistance. This initiative signifies a shift towards non-equity funding, providing direct financial support to academic and nonprofit institutions globally. Researchers will gain access to essential resources such as computational power, datasets, and AI expertise, all aimed at enhancing their scientific projects. This funding initiative aligns with a broader trend among tech giants to engage with young innovators and startups, often through partnerships and acquisitions. Hassabis expressed optimism that this initiative could foster collaboration between the private and public sectors, thereby increasing interest in the potential of AI for scientific advancement. Google plans to award funding to approximately 15 organizations by 2026, focusing on substantial contributions rather than distributing small grants. The impact of this initiative is expected to be significant, building on the success of projects like AlphaFold, which has revolutionized protein structure prediction. Google.org will work alongside teams from Google DeepMind and Google Research, as well as external experts, to identify and announce the organizations that will receive funding. A recent study has unveiled remarkable insights into the origins of egg formation in the animal kingdom. Led by Marine Olivetta from the University of Geneva, this research on the single-celled organism Chromosphaera perkinsi suggests that the genetic programming for egg development predates the emergence of complex multicellular animals. C. perkinsi was discovered in Hawaii in 2017 and is known for forming multicellular colonies that resemble early animal embryos. This indicates that the foundational blueprint for egg development existed long before physical eggs appeared in the evolutionary timeline. Published in the journal Nature, the study highlights the complexity and versatility of even the simplest life forms. Omaya Dudin from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology noted that C. perkinsi exhibits multicellular coordination and differentiation, traits previously attributed solely to multicellular organisms. The organism's colonies display a three-dimensional structure akin to early embryonic development in animals, forming cell clusters similar to a blastula with distinct cell types. These findings open new avenues for understanding the evolutionary mechanisms that led to the emergence of multicellular life, suggesting that such traits may have evolved independently in unicellular species. However, scientists caution that the observed traits in C. perkinsi might be a result of convergent evolution, as this unique development has not been documented in other ichthyosporians. The research implies that the genetic mechanisms for embryo formation may have existed long before the evolution of complex multicellular organisms, challenging traditional views on the chicken or egg dilemma. The study provides evidence suggesting that eggs existed before chickens, contributing to the ongoing exploration of this age-old paradox. Future research is planned to further investigate whether the multicellular development observed in C. perkinsi evolved independently, potentially offering deeper insights into the evolution from single-celled to complex life forms. This study emphasizes the significance of C. perkinsi in tracing biological developments back over 1 billion years, providing a crucial link in understanding the evolution of life on Earth. Overall, this research adds to the ongoing exploration of evolutionary biology, echoing previous studies that have attempted to resolve the chicken and egg dilemma from various scientific perspectives. A hiker's casual stroll has led to an extraordinary discovery in the Italian Alps. Claudia Stephenson stumbled upon unusual circular designs on a stone slab during her summer hike in the Valtellina-Orobi mountain range, unveiling a prehistoric ecosystem dating back 280 million years to the Permian period. This remarkable find includes hundreds of plant and animal fossils and footprints that predate the existence of dinosaurs. The fossils, found at elevations nearing 10,000 feet, showcase a diverse ancient landscape preserved in fine-grained sandstone that reveals intricate details, such as claw marks and patterns from 5 different species. Some of the prehistoric animals indicated by the size of their footprints may have grown as large as modern-day Komodo dragons. The melting ice in the region has uncovered these hidden fossils, serving as a reminder of current environmental challenges and the urgent need for action to preserve our planet. As climate change accelerates the melting of ice, more fossils are being exposed, with researchers anticipating further discoveries as erosion continues. Scientists are drawing parallels between the environmental changes that led to mass extinctions during the Permian period and today's climate issues, highlighting lessons from ancient ecosystems. The ongoing research efforts in the park aim to uncover additional paleontological findings, emphasizing the significance of this discovery. The fossils were publicly displayed for the first time at the Natural History Museum in Milan on November 13, 2024, marking an important moment for scientific understanding. Doriano Codega, president of the nature park, noted the fossils' high-altitude location contributes to their exceptional preservation due to less sedimentation. A research team from the Daegu Gyeongbuk Institute of Science and Technology, led by Professor Jae-dong Lee, has made significant strides in the field of quantum information. They have unveiled a groundbreaking quantum state and a new mechanism for manipulating quantum information using exciton and Floquet states. In collaboration with Professor Noejung Park from the Ulsan National Institute of Science and Technology, the team achieved the first demonstration of the formation and synthesis of these states, driven by light-matter interactions in two-dimensional semiconductors. This research clarifies previously poorly understood coherence and decoherence mechanisms of electrons during exciton formation, utilizing theoretical calculations and time-resolved angular-resolved photoelectron spectroscopy. The study captures quantum information in real time through entanglement, significantly enhancing the understanding of exciton formation in two-dimensional semiconductors. These materials maintain distinct energy levels for excitons and conduction bands, which allows for prolonged quantum coherence compared to traditional three-dimensional solids. The findings represent a significant milestone in quantum information technology, paving the way for practical applications such as quantum computers. Professor Park emphasized that this research establishes a new paradigm for quantum information technology, marking an important milestone for its realization. The study, funded by the Korea Research Foundation and DGIST, was published in the journal Nano Letters in October 2024, with Hyoseop Park as the first author. A recent study highlights a promising approach to enhance biodiversity in oil palm plantations in Sumatra, Indonesia. Conducted by Göttingen University in collaboration with IPB University and Jambi University, the research investigates the role of ecological restoration in promoting biodiversity recovery within these industrial landscapes. The study involved the establishment of 52 tree islands of varying sizes and tree diversity within an oil palm plantation. Researchers aim to assess the impact of these tree islands on local biodiversity. Findings reveal that these tree islands can significantly enhance the natural regeneration of native tree diversity, with many trees already fruiting and reaching heights exceeding 15 meters in just 6 years. Professor Holger Kreft noted that starting with a higher diversity of planted native trees leads to greater ecological diversity over time. Dr. Gustavo Paterno emphasized the importance of larger tree islands, particularly those over 400 square meters, in supporting endemic and forest tree species that struggle in conventional plantations. Remarkably, only 10% of the natural regeneration in restored areas consisted of non-native species, indicating a successful colonization by local flora, including endemic species. Tree islands also promote functional and evolutionary diversity, which is crucial for building resilient ecosystems that can withstand climate change. However, despite these positive outcomes, biodiversity levels in restored areas remain significantly lower than in undisturbed forests, underscoring the urgent need to protect remaining forest patches. This research demonstrates the potential for transforming biodiversity-poor agricultural lands into thriving ecosystems through effective restoration strategies. The study was funded by the German Research Foundation and published in the journal Science on November 14, 2024, titled Diverse and Larger Tree Islands Promote Native Tree Diversity in Oil Palm Landscapes. This has been your daily brief in science. To read more about these stories, follow the links in the episode bio. You can also subscribe to these updates via email at www.brief.news. For more daily podcasts about the topics you love, visit brief.news/podcasts. Tune in tomorrow. We'll be back with everything you need to know.